Good morning, myself Rishika Joshi and I'm pursuing BCom second year and I'm giving student seminar on the topic prepositions. Preposition is a part of parts of speech.
Rishika, screen.
Yes sir.
Rishika, screen. Your PPT is not present now. One more time share PPT.
Okay sir.
PPT just dropped.
Sir, should I continue or else I should start from beginning?
No, your wish, no problem. Just open the PPT. You can your wish, no problem.
Sir, now?
It's okay. Good. Okay. First page you want. I think it's second. Show first. Yes. Now you can start.
Good morning everyone, myself Rishika Joshi and I'm pursuing BCom second year and I'm giving student seminar on the topic prepositions. Prepositions are a type of parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Now coming to the noun, noun is name of everything. Taking an example, Ritu is traveling to Mumbai by train. Here Ritu, Mumbai and train are the noun because they shows the name, place and thing in the sentence. Coming to the pronoun, pronoun stands for noun or used instead of noun. Suppose instead of using name such as Ritu, Rani, etc., we use he or she. It is known as pronoun. Example: she likes sweet, or she doesn't like sweet. He likes sweet, or he doesn't like sweet, etc. Adjective. Adjective is a word that describe or modify other words, such as they live in a beautiful house. Here the word beautiful shows the action. Here modifies means describes the word. That means beautiful. Verb indicates the action or state of being. Example: she ironed her dress. Here iron shows the action that she had done something. Next, coming to the adverb. An adverb is a word or set of word that modifies verb, adjectives and other adverbs. Example: he is running fast. Here we can see that fast is an adverb. Next, coming to the preposition. Preposition is our topic. First of all, preposition is a word or phrase that connects a noun or pronoun to a verb or adjective in a sentence and used to describe location, time or place. Here the thing is that preposition describes the location, time or place of something. Let's see some examples. He sat on the chair. On the chair depends where he sat or when he sat, where he sat. On. He sat on the chair. The baby climbed onto the table. Onto. She sat across from Marine. He was frustrated at the situation. Time. He succeeded with a little help. With. Now coming to the types of prepositions depending on the situations. Depending on the situations, there are 4 types: preposition of time, preposition of place and direction, preposition of agents or things, phrasal prepositions. Let's see what are preposition of time. Preposition of time show the relationship of time between the nouns to the other parts of a sentence. Preposition of place, just same as the time, but it shows the relationship between place and the nouns. Coming to the examples, time in the sense in, on, at. She's working in the morning. She doesn't go to church on Thursdays. Um, I wake up at 9 a.m. Etc. Coming to the place, she lives in England. Uh, she's on the phone. Um, she's waiting at the bus stop, etc. Some more examples used in the time of time, place, thing, adjustments, etc. On, in, from, to, since, at, for, ago, till, before, towards, across, etc. Using in the form of sentences, there is a holiday in December. Here in shows the time where when is the holiday. So in is the preposition. There is a holiday in December. He has been ill since Monday. Here it also shows when he was ill since. So it is a preposition. Since is the preposition. He has been ill since Monday. He is at home. At. I live across the river. Across. And types of the prepositions, uh, simple preposition, double preposition, compound preposition, and participle preposition, disguised preposition, phrase prepositions. Simple preposition means when a preposition consists of one word is called single or simple prepositions. For example, in, at, to, for. These are the simple and single prepositions. Double prepositions, same, but it consists of more than one word. So simple preposition is of one word and double preposition is of more than one word. Examples of double prepositions: into, up to, within, etc. I should attend the class within 11 o'clock, etc. Compound preposition. Compound preposition consists of two or more words. For example, in front of, from, across, according to, etc. Next, participle preposition. Participle preposition consists of words that end in ing. For example, concerning, regarding, considering, etc. Which, if there is ing form at the end, then it is a participle preposition. Disguised preposition. By can be changed into be, on into a, and off can be changed into o. Is called disguised preposition. For example, 5 o'clock. And by can be changed into be, on into a. Um, Phrase preposition. Group of words used with the force of a single preposition is called phrase preposition. Group of words used with the force of a single preposition is called phrase preposition. For example, according to, by means of, owing to, etc. With examples, simple preposition. He lives in England. According to the simple preposition, only single word is used. So he lives in England. In is the preposition here. Compound prepositions. Here, compound preposition in the sense two words, more than one word. The boy is running behind the thief. Double preposition. Sorry. Compound preposition, two or more words. The boy is running behind the thief. Double preposition means more than one word. The boy entered into the room. Into. Participle preposition. We are working during the night and I was exhausted. Prepositional phrase. The girl stays in front of me. In front of. Appropriate preposition. He is addicted to intoxication. Is. Detached preposition. Whom are you waiting for? Disguised preposition. I get a holiday once on weekday. Next, coming to the exercise. I live dash London.
Rishika, hold.
Sir? Yes, sir.
Ask the question to participant.
Okay,
Let
sir.
them give the answer. Later, you can ask, show the key.
Okay, sir. What will be the answer for I live dash London?
So any one of you can give answer.
In sir.
The answer. Vaishnavi given the answer in. Is it right?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, just go on asking.
Would you like to go dash the cinema tonight? Would you like to go dash the cinema tonight?
Repeated the question.
What would you like to go dash the cinema tonight?
It.
No.
Two.
Yes.
Okay.
No thanks. I was dash the cinema yesterday.
In.
No.
Okay.
Rishika, wait. Hold on.
At. Rishika, at.
Yes.
Rishika, hold a minute.
Okay, sir.
Go.
I asked participant to give comments on Rishika presentation. How she given presentation and how was it?
Very nice, sir. Very nice,
And
sir. Super.
very good, Rishika. Because we are last 5 minutes is there.
Thank you, sir.
Again, participant, any comment you can send in chat box also. So any comment and how Rishika presentation compliments. Super. Okay, saying very good. So, Rishika, look how you are
Sir.
getting good comments. Excellent. All the comments. Very nice. Super. Excellent. This we want. Student presentation, learning by practicing and by doing. Very nice, Rishika. We are
Thank
last
you,
2 minutes
sir.
are there. Rishika is share the screen.
Soup.
Yes, sir.
So I hope on the same lines you all got the idea how to present a PPT on a topic. This is a topic in our new syllabus under textual grammar preposition. The next topic is phrasal verbs. But instead of going phrasal verbs, we will continue the same topic, preposition, and this will be given to all of you. Maximum 5 participants can give student seminar on same topic. Good, Rishika, keep it up, and
Thank you, sir.
I congratulate you on your nice presentation. And let us
Thank you, sir.
discuss the exercise. Rishika, you continue asking
Yes, sir.
question.
Okay, sir. Answer for third one. No, thanks. I was dashed the cinema yesterday.
88.
Yes, yes. We are going dash holiday next week.
2.
No.
You are going to Tio.
No,
For
no.
Just wait, hold a minute. Hold a minute. Except Vaishnavi, remaining participant are not being such okay.
No, no.
Active participation.
We are
I request
going.
all the participants to participate and give the answers one by one. You can raise the
Rishika
hand.
options.
Yes.
Rishika.
Ah,
We are going. Yeah.
Anyone can give the answer.
There are options.
options
Ah.
on
Vaishnavi, okay. You
two
want options? Okay.
into.
2 కాదన్నది 6 కావచ్చు. 2 చెప్పినా ఆన్.
What?
రిషిక ఆన్ కదా.
ఏంది on
On.
or on
On.
correct. On
Eknath,
correct.
is there? Chandu,
There is a bridge dash the
Yogeshwari,
river.
Ashish,
Yes, sir.
Ganga
Sir,
Sagar.
I am giving answer, sir.
Vaishnavi is actually participating, but remaining I request to follow same thing,
రిషిక చెప్పు రిషిక. నేను రిషిక.
and I request they should be English, not in Telugu. Okay, okay. Try to speak in English. Okay. Good
Sir,
class.
sir.
Say Baba.
Sir, I'm not in Hindi class. How should I join the group? Maybe sir didn't add me.
Who?
Sir, Hindi sir. Santosh sir.
Okay, I'll inform you. Okay. So, we got last 2 minutes
Okay,
are there.
sir.
Kindly
Thank you, sir.
continue. Okay.
Okay,
Later
okay,
call
sir.
me.
There is a bridge dash the river.
రిషిక.
Ashish, get him. Ashish saying answer. What answer? Given the see, Jessica, you can see chat also, chat box also. Ashish, for which question you answer given?
The second question. Answer.
At the river.
Mhm.
On.
Spreads on the ఏమై వస్తాను.
It's on.
Jessica, just share the screen. Okay, continue.
So screen total లేదు.
Okay, no problem.
Got from me.
Last 2 minutes. You can take a screenshot, and in the tomorrow class you can give the answers. Jessica, you can share the answers tomorrow. Okay, as
Rishika,
assignment
it's
for
not
you.
on.
Okay, sir.
And remaining
No, no.
participant, if interested for presentation for seminar, send the message in WhatsApp group, and we'll take your request granted for tomorrow. Okay. So once again, I congratulate Rishika Joshi for
Thank you, sir.
a good seminar, excellent seminar. Even though in the month of March, April, you are given seminar on prefix, suffix, definitely you may get some marks, weightage in assignments also. So Rishika, just drop the screen, just remove the
Okay,
screen,
sir.
share the screen, remove it. Just
Across.
answers. Okay. Hide the
No,
answer.
no, no.
And okay, and you can all, okay, last 1 minute is there. If you want, you can, all of you can on your video, all of you for 1 minute, then we close the session. Rishika, stop sharing screen. Good, all of you can on the screen video for a minute. So then we close the this meeting ends. Now last 1 minute, let me end the meeting. All of you on your video, last 1 minute. So tomorrow, one more time, we will discuss the new syllabus. Apart from that, if anyone interested for seminar, We'll let them give opportunity to speak. So, anything to say? Last 1 minute. Anything to say? Last 1 minute. Last 1 minute. Anything to say? Anything you want to say? Any doubts? Any clarification? Last 1 minute. Let me end the meeting. Okay, Shalimu, shall I end the class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very excellent. Today we have good seminar by Rishika Joshi. I hope all you continue like this only. And take care.
Okay, sir.
Stay home. Have a nice time. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, Rishika.
Bye, bye, bye.